This is the craziest thing I've ever bought for my car. To give some context, the year is 2018, almost 2019, and Charles Bronson has been dead for about 15 years. You're probably wondering what this crazy item I bought is. Well, it's a steering wheel. Nope, this is actually just the steering wheel which came with the car. What I actually bought is the original soundtrack to Bohemian Rhapsody on cassette. Now to test both the cassette and my car's cassette player. So, first thing I need to do, if I can remember correctly from being a little kid, is take the cassette out of the cassette holder. Otherwise, I don't really think it... No, it doesn't go in. So yeah, let's take it out. There's side 1 and side 2 for those who don't really remember. And if I do that, that's side 2 and that's side 1. So I think side 1 facing up should be the first side. And turn the volume up to see if it works. Answer is no. That's really weird. The volume is going up and down, and I really don't know why. So, just play a little bit. Can't really play too much because of copyright, but, yeah, that's not working right. So, I'm gonna have to go back and return a 2018 cassette tape, which they still can't get right 15 years after they basically stopped being mass-produced. So, yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. And just to show that I didn't, it's not the car, I tested it in our Land Rover as well, and in there it had the exact same issue, which means it's probably the cassette tape and not the car's cassette player. So, yeah, time to go return it. After a quick exchange, I got a new cassette tape, and I've been told if I fast forward it first, it's less likely to have any issues.
So let's see, fast forwarding, then rewind it back, and see if it works. Currently I don't hear anything at all.
Well, this is awkward. Definitely it's both sides and the volume is on. Let's give it another try. And I think it might be working. Can't quite tell. So yeah, I'll and it still's the same problem. So that basically was a pointless exchange. Anyway, that's all for this video, as I'll have to get it sorted. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace!